This is Bashkort Lives Matter, and this episode is devoted to Rami Garipov and Akram Biishev. In 1963, a mass rally took place in Ufa against the instructions of the Communist Party of the Soviet Union to close the national print media in the national republics of Russia. Many national republics hastened to close down their newspapers in non-Russian languages, but in Bashkir Republic, the unexpected happened. The national intelligentsia rebelled. The protest was led by Bashkort poet Rami Garipov and the scientist Akram Biishev, who supported him. As a result of this action, the leaders of the Communist Party of the Soviet Union in Moscow made concessions and agreed to compromise. At the end of 1963, newspapers in the national languages were restored in all national republics of Russia. I want to emphasize it, not only in Bashkortostan, but in all national republics of Russia. We remember and honor the memory of Rami Garipov and Akram Biishev. This is Bashkort Lives Matter, and Rami Garipov and Akram Biishev are heroes. Rami Garipov and Akram Biishev are heroes.